going to call this one, What in the World Is That Noise? Now, in the background, that's my AC's running in there, because I keep it to keep it dehumidified. I keep the AC set at about 90 just so they run on and off. We're going to look at this refrigerator today. I see that we have put some bug screens in it, which is good. So if anybody doesn't know how these come apart, you turn them 90 degrees and then the pin pulls out in the center, like so. And then it comes off. She's definitely moving some heat. Everything looks nice and clean. It's actually better looking than the one in mine. The 120 volt outlet's there. That's what it's running off right now. You see the coil. This is the gas. And that's been working good, flipping back and forth. And I don't see the fan. So I'm gonna go get a ladder. We'll pop that top door off up there, see what we can see. Wow. So this actually looks like it's part of the factory installation. That's impressive. This thing actually has a pretty gnarly fan built into it, and it blows all the time. Normally when you see this stuff that's actually labeled Luan, this cheese plywood, and this amount of goo, that's a factory job. So, that's pretty wild that this one actually comes with its own fan. Now this is that's not right. These are supposed to be a little more snug, so we'll go get a Phillips screwdriver and fix that. That's supposed to be turned up like that and then snugged up to hold this in. But no, this is definitely, it looks factory, and I'm just a little concerned about the noise that fan's making, but it doesn't sound too terrible, I guess, and since that's intended, we're just going to leave it. So now we'll go get a screwdriver and fix that clamp. Yeah, I was able to snug it up a little bit, but these loose ones are actually kind of stripped out. These are only self-tappers, and they overspun them. So I guess that's potentially a factory job too. But no, everything actually looks correct up here, so it just makes noise. But we're going to put this back on, and the way that goes in is you align the tabs, push it in, and then turn the locks, and that's it. Same thing for this one. She actually looks pretty good. So align all the tabs, push it in, and relock it. That's how you access your refrigerator, at least on the majority of RVs that you're probably going to see. But so yeah, I guess that fan noise is normal. Anyway, hopefully that's it for today. I still got to figure out what I'm going to do to try to permanently fix this slide, but I think I got an idea. But I got to go look for some stuff. Anyway, I'll take care.